So this is going to be a tutorial on installing Pirates Über Alles for Empire, because the installation process is a little bit tricky. But the first thing we need to do is make sure that we don't have any modded files on Empire. So in order to do so, we will search for percentage app data percentage. We go into roaming, the creative assembly, Empire, scripts, and we make sure that there's only this file here. Shouldn't be any other scripts. So delete those. And we go into the Steam apps common Empire folder, or rather we delete this whole folder. And then we will reinstall it through Steam. So once that is done, we will go into the Pirates Über Alles Discord, go into download, and we have these two links. I prefer the Google Drive link, but they should both work. Select, let's see, select all of them and download. We will be given these 4 files. And this is a very important step. We need to make sure that we rename these 3 parts as such. Like this. Select all of them. This also only works with WinRAR, I believe. I haven't tried with 7-zip, but I think there is some problem with that. So make sure you have WinRAR and you select all of them. Extract to Empire.war Puba Steam. Since I've already done that, and these are very large files, I'm gonna skip that step, but we'll be given this folder. So we enter it, and we copy all of these files and paste them into our Empire folder. Once that is done, we have this file that was also downloaded. And you extract it, and we will be given this folder. We get this one, extract it, we have this folder, and then this one, extract it, open this, and copy this data into Empire, into the Empire folder. So once that is done, we head over to Empire Total War. We go into data, Pirates, scroll down a bit till we see the Pirates launcher. And it's recommended to put this as a desktop shortcut. We will also run as admin on this one. And stop the music for now. So important, you need to press the PUA settings first, because this is it's gonna do some like basic graphics settings. And then we have a bunch of options. This might be a little bit confusing. But the green ones are gameplay options. You have sound here, smoke, forts, and campaigns on the right side. All of these brown and blue ones are campaigns. And if you're unsure what they all do, you go into buttons, read, and this will tell you exactly what they do. There's also in Russian, but yeah. But I will just explain really quick what these buttons do, because once you press, you can select your options and then you press one of these buttons and they will take you into, they will start Empire automatically. Obviously the number indicate the start date. CL stands for Classic Campaign, so you're not going to have any extra regions. The BIM, I believe, stands for Big Map. So it's going to expand regions to include stuff like Central Asia, the Canary Islands, and Northern Arabia and such. So all of these are expanded. These two, the LBIM, will just be the expanded map. But everything below it will have like added geopolitical changes. So regions are moved around a bit between factions. And finally, so for example, if it says for Spain, if you click it, you will have loading screens that are kind of Spanish, or there's music that is more Spanish. For example, if we press the for Apache, you will have the Native American loading screens and music. So it's more immersive. They're kind of tailored to a certain faction, but if you press one of them, like for Russia, you can still play as other factions. So that is it.